Anyway, so what's next? This has a whole lot of love, but I don't like it. It's too distorted. I don't like the sound that distorted. This is too distorted. Way too distorted. I'll get to a better one in a few minutes. This is called VH 1984. Wonder what that means. Again, no wah-wah. Something like that. I'm hitting harmonics today, whatever it is. Wind cries Mary. Well, that was too high. So this one's called Purple Fog. Now, Hendrix didn't play with the harmonics, but I like sticking those in there. This is called 1969 Experience. I like this one better. It's more my style because it's more heavier, even though Hendrix is Hendrix, right? Fun stuff. 1970 rock. Now, this is where I would have done the... It just sounds better. Now, if you really wanted to sound better, you'd have a Les Paul with a Marshall, but you could also do, what's that other one? Oh, crap, how's that go? Something like that. How about that's killing me. Something like that. The other one is. Now we could spend hours playing Led Zeppelin, right? The other one too, this next one says Cream. To me, I don't know if that's what it meant to be, but to me, Cream is it's like I'm losing resonance there. So if I go back to the 70s rock and we do it here. To me, that just sounds better, right? The same thing, the one that Clapton said he'll never play again. He was afraid to let people know he was stuck on cocaine. Cocaine. Ooh, Pink Wall. Everybody knows that's my favorite. And it's really not that far off. Oops. How's that? There we go. Much better. But that sounds pretty close. And the other thing too is I don't like how processors do acoustics, and this one actually sounds pretty good. It sounds like a 12 string. It's a little bit higher than what I would like, but it's kind of probably my pickups have a lot to do with it. Right. It helps because when you're on stage, you don't want to have to pull out your acoustic just to get that acoustic sound right. Not too bad, but the highs are kind of in there. The rest of these are just kind of out there. Like, for an example, Van Halen Flange. Of course, everybody knows Eddie loves the flange, but that's just too much unless you're doing like atomic punk or something. But the problem is you can't hit it in chords. Right. It's just too much going on. And then there's Blues Crunch. This isn't too bad for just a basic blues driver sound. So how's that song? Oh, how does it go? Anyway, that's Life in the Fast Lane by Eagles. Now, I'll hop on and talk more about the GT1 because there's a lot more to it that you could do. Oh, fat bluesy lead. Anyway, the point is there's a lot more here. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to kill the video, and we're going to take a song apart real quick. And then we'll talk about how we would do that song and use this at the same time. And then I'll take it into the computer world, okay? So let's go ahead and do that.